Alright, we're in the downstairs bathroom, and I apologize, I realized we forgot to set up the camera so that we could film the tearing it apart. But let's go ahead, I'm going to flip to the other side, and we'll give you a tour of what we got going on in here. So, we pulled the vanity out, toilet, all that good stuff. We patched up the hole here, as well as here from old outlets, whatever we had something low next to the toilet for, I have no idea. Oh, maybe a phone, yeah. Also, we put GFCI, the whole bathroom's GFCI, but we've got a plug, that way we don't flip this whole breaker for this. We're gonna have the double switches here, same as we have upstairs. We'll have the light, the fart fan. This is the main vanity light here. Obviously, we've got the nice sliding door that's in. Move the heater vent over to here. This is our shower, which we got a fun story there in a second. And then up here we've got all the holes. This is from when they replaced a hose bib outside years ago. We tried to patch it up and then leaked and had to redo it or something. These are holes I cut for fishing main electrical through for the laundry room, as well as over for the kitchen wires. These are going to be for the fan and the light that we're going to have in the shower, and that's why this whole bathroom's on a GFCI breaker. It's because we're going to have that guy above there, same as upstairs. Down here, we've got the 3 handles to switch, shower or tub. We're going to switch this over to a single handle, as well as the stop on the tub side. But down here is where our issue was. You can see this originally was a floor drain here. Then they adapted and changed things over. They added a floor drain and moved it. You can kind of see just here. And that goes into the mechanical room where the furnace is. And this is all concrete. I actually had to chip away right here in order to get the collar off. But they had, I don't know if this is brass or it's copper on this piece here. I think it's copper, maybe it's brass. But it looks copper. It is totally rotted away. So when we took that tub out, before we even took it out, that drain really wasn't connected. It was just sitting on top of this. I had to chip away that concrete to unscrew it, get the little barrel out, but these are all the pieces that were just stuck inside that we were able to get out. So we should be able to still use that, but with that second layer of concrete underneath there was a little bit of a worry there. So we're gonna go ahead, go get our new cartridge, trim kit, everything. Down here, we're not gonna be tiling, we're just gonna be rocking us around, but we're gonna get after this guy today. In this downstairs bathroom, it is a basement. This is our concrete, that is the foundation. Oddly enough, we did have a waterproof membrane and then we have the tile. This was a bear to get off with that cloth that's on the back of here with that thin set against our concrete. We were using these blades to chip it out, but we just kept snapping them because it would hit it and jackhammer and snap off. So we did go ahead, got out the grinder. My dad got it all nice and grinded down flat, so when we put the tile in now, we have something flat to work with versus all the high spots from this piece here. Let me flip you around and show you what we got going on with the fan and light. So over here we have the vanity light switch. Then we've got the light for inside the shower, which is up on top because the light shines down from the top. And the fart fan on the bottom, since that's where the farts come from. Go ahead, flip you around right here. Take a look, we got that guy up. That is centered. We will have to patch up these holes, but we already have to do some patchwork from where we fished that electrical. No big deal there. Also, down in the shower, we did switch to a single handle cartridge. The only thing we've got left here to do is we got to solder this guy on. And then we do need to put on the male threads for the kit that we have. And then once we get the tub in here, we can get this centered up with the tub. We can attach it. And then instead of having our faucet come out, you know, I think it's like 4'6" off the ground, we'll actually bump it up to 7 feet. So somebody who's actually tall can take a shower down here and not have an issue. All right, I lie. It's at 6 foot, but once it comes over and comes down, it sits about right here. I'm not super tall. That's a horrible placement of it. When we're done, it's actually going to be up about an inch or two underneath where this black dot is, if you can see that. So that puts us about 6'7", 6'8". Put the shower head around 6'5", 6'6", which would be much nicer for anybody that's at least 6 foot plus. What's code for? It doesn't have to be self-scouring. Just, you know, go to Home Depot or Lowe's. Put this in. That'll do ya. I haven't been able to find my good tape measure since we put this whole light assembly and fan in. And now I'm here to patch up all the ceiling work. And look what I find! That's so me.